And that's, honestly why this company exists today, is all the great people that came before us. And I'm convinced it will thrive in the future because all of you. So cheers to 100 years, but more importantly, cheers to building our next century, which I'm looking forward to being a part of with all of you.
But you can't turn around without seeing something built by Frank Blum. And they say Rome wasn't built in a day, but it would have been if Frank Blum had been in charge, I'm pretty sure.
We're incredibly proud to be rooted in such a rich past. If you think the last 100 years have been impressive, get ready, because we're ready to build our next century together.